Let's do fast talk, Michelle. Okay. Michelle, loud or proud?
Both.
Ganda, talino.
Talino.
Talino, tapang.
Tapang.
Corona, pag-ibig.
Ay! Pag-ibig.
Pera, pag-ibig.
Pag-ibig.
Kaibigan, kakampi.
Kaibigan.
Boundaries or no boundaries?
No boundaries.
Yes or no? Pinormahan ng kapwa-aktor.
Ano?
Pinormahan ng
Okay.
kapwa-aktor. Yes
Ay,
or
hindi.
no?
No.
Yes or no? Pinormahan ng kapwa beauty queen.
Maybe.
Yes or no? May naging jowa na artista.
Wala.
Single or taken? Ayun na.
Ay,
Technically.
taken na nga. Technically taken.
Taken na. Yun! Lights on or lights off?
Lights off.
Happiness or chocolates?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness.
All the time.
I'm Michelle D, and the final answer is...
I am Michelle D, and my final answer is not guilty.